yung iba pong mga supporters sa kanya.
Sobra.
Diba, like, they would go crazy just to ask for a photo, just to see him. So, parang, nakakatakot. Pakawain ako or something.
And how does it feel being tagged as James as
Crazy.
the God's gift to women? I mean, just seeing you is a gift like that. How is it being tagged like that?
That's the first time I heard that. So,
We can feel that.
Yeah.
I can see your IG.
I guess I'm flattered, but don't forget.
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah.
Love. Okay. Love. Next.
Hi, I'm Ian from EU Radio, Pinoy. I would just like to ask for Weng and JR.
Yeng po.
Dito pala kami. Oh.
Yes.
Yeng po, Yeng.
Because I have been their fan too, and so as James and Nadine. I would just like to ask, how do you feel supporting new artists, and how do you prepare in like supporting them? Do you give them such? Do you advise them, or what do you advise them in terms of like really performing?
In terms of support, I think it's a give and take for me. Especially, medyo bago-bago lang ako sumama sa kanila, and their crowd is amazing. Their fans when we do their shows, talagang very warm sa kanila sa amin. So, I think it's a give and take because we get to perform in front of their fans, and also because anytime if they need advice with performing or singing or mga ganito, nandito din kami. We're able to give our input. But they're pretty good already. They don't need advice anymore, So it's parang nag-enjoy lang kami sa buong tour. It's such a good experience just to be on tour with this whole group of people. It's a really good energy here.
Parang feeling ko nga hindi kami nakapagbigay ng payo. Kasi parang ako first time nung rehearsal namin sa Qatar yata yun. Sabi ko dun sa prod, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng artista na sobrang all out sa performance, dancing, singing, everything talaga, parang effort to the highest level. And nakaka-elibs lang pag... Nakaka-elibs, sorry Taga Montalban Rizal po kasi ako. Nakakabilib po talaga na makakita ng ganyan. And yung sinasabi nila kayo sa time, kaya medyo, actually, naawa nga ako sa dalawa. Kasi yung rehearsal, sila yung mauuna, and then susunod kami. Paglinggo namin, sa side namin, tulog sila sa upuan. So, sobra talagang